Today, we're taking a closer look at the Timetec Hynix IC 32GB kit, specifically designed for the Dell PowerEdge T30 mini tower server. This kit includes two 16GB modules, delivering a total of 32GB of DDR4 2400 MHz memory. If you're looking to boost your server's performance, this could be the perfect upgrade point. One of the standout features of this RAM is its DDR4 2400 MHz speed. With a PC4-19200 rating, it ensures that data transfer rates are fast and efficient, which is crucial for handling heavy server workloads. The memory operates at a low voltage of 1.2 V, within a range of 1.14 V to 1.26 V, making it energy efficient and helping to keep the server's overall power consumption down. The Timetec Hynix IC modules are unbuffered ECC, error-correcting code, which is essential for maintaining data integrity in a server environment. ECC memory can detect and correct common types of data corruption, reducing the likelihood of data errors that could lead to system crashes or data loss. This makes it a reliable choice for businesses that depend on their servers for critical operations. These memory modules are dual rank and 2RX8 based, meaning they offer better performance and greater capacity compared to single rank modules. The configuration of 1024x8 indicates a robust design that enhances the overall efficiency and stability of your server. Another key advantage is the lifetime warranty provided by Timetec. This ensures peace of mind, knowing that the investment is protected for the long haul. Additionally, Timetec offers free technical support, which can be invaluable if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. It's important to note that this memory kit is specifically designed for servers and is not suitable for desktops or laptops. This specialization ensures that the modules are optimized for server use, providing the reliability and performance that enterprise environments demand. In summary, the Timetec Hynix IC 32GB kit, 2x16GB, for Dell PowerEdge T30 is an excellent upgrade option. With its high-speed ECC capability, dual-rank configuration, and energy-efficient operation, it significantly enhances the performance and reliability of your server. Whether you're running complex applications or managing large databases, this RAM kit is up to the task. For anyone looking to maximize their Dell PowerEdge T30's potential, this memory upgrade is a must-have. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.